get our animals in June, and we have been working with them. We make sure that we practice with them every day to get them used to us, get them used to how they're supposed to be shown. And then we also make sure that we bulk up our animals, make sure that they get to the weight that they're expected to be in order for the fair, because we have to have them between 210 pounds to 280 pounds. When showing market swine, the key things that you need to know is to keep good eye contact with the judge, so then they'll pay attention to you, and also show all sides of the animal so then they can properly judge your animal the correct way.
So in each of the species that we show here at the fair, we have market classes, showmanship classes, and breeding classes. So while we were at the fair the day of the show, we have to wash our animals and blow dry them, make sure they're completely dry, and then we will brush out their legs to make sure they're fluffy for the judge.
Some advice that I would give to people interested in showing livestock for the first time is to be patient. Patience is key when dealing with livestock animals, but the reward is always worth it. So FFA can have a lot of benefits throughout high school and after high school. One of the biggest benefits would be meeting new people. You have a lot of opportunities to network and get to know new people. And then after high school, it looks really good on your resume and can help you find a job.